but I know food usually is. So I don't know why I marked it. Well, you can check on your on the messenger. You know when they send it. I would have told you already.
Is your salad good? Which one is it?
The Thai salad, yeah.
Yeah.
Mine is Italian.
The Italian
chop.
one, yeah.
Hi, Tulio.
Like Diet Coke.
I just don't like Diet Coke. I don't like carbonated drinks much. I'm more like water, tea, maybe some juices.
Girl, feeling? What are you like doing?
Which other stores do you go to? Oh, you said you do Ulta?
Ulta too.
Yeah, she literally was drunk. She was like, I've been dating.
And which other Sephora stores?
Thai Ranch.
Okay, that one is far. Do you live
I live in
close?
Chula Vista.
Oh, yeah, that's
It's literally across the street from where I live.
that's nice. For me, it's too far.